Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vinegar at home. To begin, gather your essential tools: a clean glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a rubber band. For ingredients, you'll need a sugar source, like fruit scraps, water, and a starter, which can be a vinegar mother or a small amount of unpasteurized vinegar. Sterilizing your jar is crucial to prevent any unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. This simple setup is the foundation for delicious homemade vinegar. Now let's start the first fermentation. Combine 1 part of your chosen sugar source, such as fruit scraps, with 4 parts water in your sterilized jar. For example, if you use 1 cup of fruit scraps, add 4 cups of water. You can also add about a 1/4 cup of sugar per cup of fruit scraps to give the yeast a good start. Cover the jar with the breathable cloth, secure it, and place it in a warm, dark spot for 1 to 2 weeks. After the first fermentation, it's time for the second stage. Carefully strain out all the fruit solids from your liquid. Now, introduce your starter. Add about a 1/4 cup of unpasteurized vinegar, or a mother, to the liquid. This introduces the beneficial acetic acid bacteria that will convert the alcohol into vinegar. Recover the jar with the breathable cloth and return it to its warm, dark location for another 2 to 4 weeks. Your homemade vinegar is almost ready. After 2 to 4 weeks in the second stage, taste it. It should have a distinct tangy and acidic flavor. Once it's to your liking, strain the vinegar through a coffee filter or several layers of cheesecloth to remove any remaining sediment or mother. Pour your finished vinegar into clean, airtight bottles and store them in a cool, dark place. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.